Hello friends, welcome back. I have been teaching AI for quite a long time, but not for school children. Yes, welcome to the Young Explorer's Guide to AI. This special playlist is meant for school children to learn AI. I am going to give you a series of cartoons, say about 150 cartoons in this playlist, and each of them will explain you the concepts very clearly. Welcome to the Young Explorer's Guide to AI. The first episode is who is the new student. You can see this here. I'm going to use Aadhi, who is a curious explorer, and the AI robo friend Byte is going to be our friend as well through this learning. Who is the new student? Episode 1 of 150. The teacher. Class, we have a new student, and you can see the Byte is entering the class. Hello everyone, my name is Byte. Adi is surprised. Wait, are you a robot? Yes, is the answer. Then how can you learn in the school? The same way as you guys do. Cat, dog, elephant, and all these by seeing the pictures and the teacher teaches. So A is no magic? Yes, robots are no magic. A is no magic. They learn from patterns and from lots of informations. Very, very interesting it is. Artificial intelligence is a computer system that learns patterns from information and helps solve problems. That's it. That's your first episode. Second episode is here, the Young Explorer's Guide to AI. Where did AI come from? Did scientists build you yesterday? The question to Byte. Haha, no way. I have many grandparents. That's true. AI is the result of many years of innovation and research. The journey is interesting and it's not overnight. 1950s, scientists started thinking and they dreamt that machines can think. 1997, computers learned strategies and they started playing chess and they could beat people as well. 2011 voice assistants came into picture. AI started listening to you. Yes, and it started helping us with daily tasks. 2016 onwards, we are hearing the self-driving cars. AI helps cars see the road and take decisions all real time. 2022 plus, the generative AI is booming. AI can now create content, the text, the images, the music, and whatnot. Future, it's calling you 2030. The journey could be even more different, but it's incomplete without you. So, the AI did not appear overnight. Exactly says Byte, and its thousands of scientists worked for a decade to create what we have today. That's awesome. Every step made me smarter, and I am still learning, Byte says. Yes, AI is not new. It's the result of many years of hard work, experiments, and innovation by thousands of brilliant minds. Yes. Tomorrow, we are going to see in the next episode, can AI think like humans? We'll think about it and we will get a new episode where cartoons will teach you. Students, I hope you enjoyed it, and in case you have any questions, I would recommend you to use the chat and type in your questions there. I will happily answer. I hope you like this approach. I'm sure you will love it. Let's learn together. Thank you.